What is up, YouTube? This is Josh with Woodworking Warrior. I don't normally do a lot of product uh, reviews, I guess you could say. I did one after I just built this Porta Cube Portamate miter saw station, which because that's going to be part of my shop build, so you can check that video out somewhere. But I wanted to, while I was building this, I cut myself with this, so I did want to do a little video on this. This is made by Outdoor Edge. And Outdoor Edge. All right, I got it on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description. And I like it because it's not your average knife. Okay. The cool thing about it is that, I mean, this thing is hella sharp, but it also comes with removable blades. Like, so once this gets dull, instead of sharpening your knife, you can just toss it like a razor blade, like a box cutter. But it's an actual, it's a good knife. And they come with different types of blades. So you just slide this in there, if I can do it, if I can get it. All right, slide it in there. And now I got a curved blade. And it's in there. Push this button here. Blade comes out. Slide it in. Clicks in place. Solid. Not coming out. And it's got the locking device back here. It's got the unlocking portion for left or right. It's a 3-inch blade. They also make a 3.5-inch, and they got some 6-inch blades as well. I've also bought this. All right, this is a combo blade set, and I already opened it up. It comes with this little box blade, which is perfect for like if you're fishing. And I'll tell you why. Because in this little pack that it comes with, which also it comes with this little guide that tells you which blades you can get, right? But like it comes with one of these, a gutting. They call it gutting, or gutting fish. So now you can gut your fish. You can use it as a seatbelt cutter if like you're medical personnel, fire, EMS, stuff like that. You can use it as that, and then you get done. It's dull. You go buy some more, and you just replace it. It just clicks in. And this blade box that comes with this, so you can put one gutting blade in here, and then also what they call a capping or caping blade, which has this little part here. I'm not sure what that's for. And they click in place. On this little case, it has a little tiny spot, I don't know if you can see that, for where it clicks into. So these are secure in there. And now you got whatever, a curved blade, a gutting blade, and then you can put what came with it originally, this straight blade. So you have 3 different types of blades that you can put like in your tackle box. And because it folds, it's a pretty small little knife. You can put it, it comes with a belt clip, so it can be your everyday carry type knife. But now you got a good knife that's really sharp with, different blades that you can use for fishing, for hunting, things like that. Backpacking, like it would suck to be backpacking and your knife go dull and then you can't use it. But with this, these are sealed. You saw me open them. So you can just carry a couple of different blades in your backpack. They're super light, and then carry them with you. And you have all kinds of different blades. They also make one that's curved, that's really long, like 6 inches long. They come in different sizes. Like I said, I'll leave a link in the description. But this is awesome. Like, this is probably going to replace my box cutter knife that I usually carry. Blades are extremely sharp. Yeah, they are. They're really sharp. They're razor sharp. So anyway, just thought it was kind of cool. Just figured I'd let you guys show you guys something cool that I found. Go check it out. You know, get one for yourself. They're not very expensive. I think they're worth the money. Solid belt clip and solid little knife, man. Check them out.